Hey gold miners, I wanted to come to you guys today because I am doing a review of this mini cleanup sluice from Prospectors Dream. I was gifted this from miningmagnets.com and I got a bonus for you. If you put in Miner Ma Gold, all one word, into miningmagnets.com, you get 15% off of this, as well as a couple of their mining magnets. So head over to them if you guys want a cleanup sluice. I'm going to go through how this whole thing works with you right now. This is an honest review. I've never had one of these, and I'm going to put it together and show you just what I experience. So let's get to unwrapping it. Okay, here we go. Just to check this whole thing out here. Oop, there was a card. Let's see what that card says. How quickly a car heats up. Okay, so this is interesting. This is saying 100 degrees max. Do not leave box or product in direct sunlight or extreme heat. Indoor shade use and storage recommended. So this isn't something you're gonna just throw in the back of your truck and let it bake in the sun. This is a cleanup sluice. So you're gonna wanna take good care of it. You're gonna wanna make sure you baby it a little bit because it is plastic, and as we all know, plastic, when it gets warmed up, it warps. So let's not do that right off the bat. Okay, so we got that part done. And then there is this, looks like it goes to the pump. There's directions, there's a pump built in. I'm guessing this is for the recirculating part. And then you've got a nice long cord that is attached with it here. So let's go ahead and unravel that. That on. So, oh, nice. It's a long cord. So I'm going to be running this off of a EcoFlow Jackery and power station. Here's the literature that it came with and how quickly a car heats up. This is the ultimate Dream Mat. I run everything with Dream Mat that I have. Here's the pump information. So I was looking at this thing. I think this is just a spare part. From what I could tell, it's all self-contained. It does appear though that there's a flow control valve on the back end here. So I'm going to look at that. I don't know if we're really going to need it because it's not a big unit, but we'll see. It's super easy to put together. You just plug it in. That other little piece, I think, is a replacement part from what I can tell. And there's a little level right here, so you can keep it level, or you could put it on like a picnic table. I chose to run it in my black cement mixer bin, but you could probably get away with putting it just in a gold pan. My gold pan just wasn't tall enough because there is a water level line back here. I don't know if it's on this side, but and I'm right at the water level. I was gifted this rocker box pay dirt, and check it out. I'm so stoked. Bering Sea Gold Mining, Emily Rydell, Sister Power, Sister Gold Miners in the house, and I got this Dream Mat sticker with it, as well as a Bering Sea Pay Dirt sticker. So those are going to go on my my power station. I am running this on a power station, and currently it's pulling in 38 watts. So if you're off grid, this is a really good opportunity for you. And so we're just going to open this bad boy up here, and I got my little spoon. We're gonna see what we find. Looks like I'm in Alaska right now because of my snow that we got. But so a lot of people have arthritis, and panning for them becomes a chore. So in my recommendation, depending on how well this thing cleans it out, this might be an alternative for those of you that have arthritic hands. It sure does move it, you know, for a little sluice. It's rocking it. Now, I am not paid for this. I'm just doing an honest review, and the 15% off, I'm not getting paid for that either. I just asked them for a discount for you guys, and they were kind enough to give that to me. So I don't get monetized on my work. I just do this because I love y'all, and I want everybody to be into gold mining. I see a little color right there. Look, it caught it right in that first little, see it right there? Right there. I think you're in the shadow. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. See if we find some more. Oh, this is so much fun. I did get this Prospectors Dream hat at the Quartzite Gold Show because not this year but last year, and so I had to put it on to represent. So here we go. Here's the last final little bit here. All right, and there's just some. Oh, there's a little bit more there. Run that through. Make sure that my corners are good and there's no gold stuck in that. All right, I finished it. I can already see some color in there, so I'm gonna turn it off. And I am going to very carefully, see, I've never done this before, so I can see the gold. There was a little piece in here, right there. Yeah, so here, let's do this. I'm just going to very gingerly slide this out here, and we're going to check the bottom of it. Here, let me move this way. Put it in here. Wow, it just took care of all those black sands. It's great. And then now let's see what we have in here. I am donating this cleanup sluice to the Yuba Nugget Hunt because I said I would to them. So somebody is going to be able to get this. Ooh, see, now I do see, you're really going to have to do one of these guys with this because I do see some trapped in those little dream holes there. Let's see. Fairly clean. Yeah, I like this mat. It's nice and thick. It's not too thin and flimsy. It's pretty thick stuff. And then we're gonna pan it down and we'll see what we got. Let's see here. So, and the water's frozen because it was filled with snow. I've got so much in there that I can probably just tap it. Let's see. Holy cow, it did a great job. Look, can you see it all? Here, let me do a little fan back. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, even a little one. Can y'all see the little tiny one there? So, does it work? Absolutely. Found a black sands. It took care of the black sands. Now, if I was running a lot more pay dirt, it might look differently to me. But, and it still comes down to a pan. But if you say, like I said, have arthritic hands or something, that took half of the work out of it. And there's some good gold in there. So I absolutely, as an honest review, you guys, I recommend this product. Especially if you're like just sitting at a campsite and you just want to clean up. Maybe it's a snowy day like it is right now. So did the mini cleanup sluice catch gold? It did. Was it easy? It was. What do I like about the product? I love the little level. I think that's awesome. I like that you could bolt it into something here. I love that it's just like a plug and go, like a plug and play, you know, type of deal. I love how thick the mat is. I love that it doesn't take a lot of water. So if you're, say, in the desert or something, it didn't really run on a lot of water. It caught the gold quite well, as you could see here. I mean, there's quite a bit of gold in there. So I do recommend this. And who do I recommend this to? Well, just about any prospector that's running any type of a pay dirt bag, any prospector that is running their concentrates. It does seem like it would be good. Anybody who might be older and have old hands, children. This would be a great one for the kids to do, to put that little spoon in there and to get them into the fever. So I do want to thank miningmagnets.com for giving me this opportunity. Like I said, I am going to be donating this particular unit to the Yuba Nugget Hunt for the raffle. and I wanted to make sure that I was paying it forward so I wasn't getting anything out of it. And if you all want a discount, head over to miningmagnets.com. I put in MinerMall Gold as your code, and you'll get 15% off of the little cleanup sluice, I think the medium-sized buddy, and then some magnets as well. And I do this, I don't take any commission from this at all. This is just to get you guys a discount so that you can get your mining gear. I hope you have a beautiful day. Take care. Thanks again, Mining Magnets.